Top of the morning, everyone. It's another vlog, and today is the reveal and move-in day for the new apartment. But first, let's say goodbye to the old one. The old cigar shop. The old bar. 6th floor. I've been in this apartment for a little over almost 2 months now. And it is time to move to a slightly nicer apartment. Now, this one was a really good deal, so no complaints here. And it wasn't until last night that I saw a cockroach. But I already booked another place. We'll quickly say goodbye to this place, do a little tour, and then we can go and check out the new apartment. Huzzah! This is where the magic happens. This is the bathroom. Pretty humble, must say. Really good sunlight in here. This is the first place I ever lived in Vietnam, so it's gonna be sad to say goodbye. We do have a nice little view out here of the street. Next place is gonna have an actual view of the beach. Way better. So before we go, let's look around. Bed made. This is my little desk where I edit all my videos. That's where I put my books and do whatever I'm feeling like. The classic cup chair. Never got to be used, that's okay. Okay, you guys the mini fridge too. And look at all the water I was drinking. Those are 7 liters each. Stay hydrated. It ain't much, but it's honest work. But look at the flat screen. We love a big flat screen. I'm a big TV guy. Gotta watch my YouTube, gotta watch my shows, and this is it. And for World Cup, you know, we gotta be updated. So this next TV, I hope it's as big, but I have a feeling it's not. And also the Wi-Fi here, not bussin'. Not bussin'. Yesterday night was the first time, I haven't had any bug issues at all. I found a cockroach in the room. I just grabbed my flip-flop, stomped on it. That'd be tough. Next place should be way better. It's got exquisite reviews and that full beachfront view we want from the patio. It's pretty much as close to the beach, but it's gonna be a little bit down on the south. Oh, no. It's gonna be down on the west side. So I'm moving to the west side of the beach where all the people who've been here for a while. This is more, you know, if you're just gonna show up new to Danang, come here to Mikey Beach. And the exact area is An Thong. There's tons of food around here. I've never really had to go that far unless I've been looking for street food. Otherwise, you can pretty much just walk out the door. You've seen before how much food there is around here. And you know, the new spot I'm moving to is a lot more local food. My stuff is getting bagged up. I've done that. And we hit a secondary desk. And can't forget the AC. This is like 2 minutes away from Mikey Beach, right by my beach club. This was the most central spot I could have got as far as being close to all the restaurants, really close to the beach. There's a lot of construction going on. You can hear it yourself. So this area is a little bit more developed. All the buildings around there are already done. A lot of them are new. And I'll have a patio. And there's a rooftop pool. So we have a whole new set of things to play with and a whole new filming area too. Gonna do some more snack videos, fun stuff that I can film in the apartment because this one gets great lighting. You know, I need a little bit more space. And to be honest with you, the bed, stiff as a board. My back has healed though, because I used to sleep on a soft mattress. Now I'm tough. I got that Vietnamese back now. We're gonna do more food videos, and to break in the apartment, I will do a new snack video trying all the snacks of Vietnam. I'll take you guys down to my library where I do my reading and sometimes do some editing when I don't want to be in the room anymore. This is the library area. So you can really get a good chill session over here. Look at that. Only issue is all the books are in Vietnamese, which I cannot read. Wow. Finally found an English book. I'll bring this with me upstairs. But there you have it. Final tour, final goodbyes. Don't be afraid to change. On to something bigger, better, and with a better view. How can you go wrong with that now? I actually have the place until tomorrow, but I decided to move to the apartment one day earlier. This will kind of allow me a nice little relaxing day to kind of slowly move some stuff over. Not that I have that much stuff anyway. Then I'll be fully set up. See you guys at the new place. Here we go, new tour. I already got my place kind of set up. We have arrived at the new crib. Look at all the space for activities. We got the keys, 301. Yeah, it looks like we're in a good spot. We got the bed, we got the futon, we got the fresh flowers, and the closet. Most importantly, the workstation, the editing station. This is where it all really happens. Mini TV. We're not here to watch TV though. I got a dining table. If I want to have a guest over for dinner, we're there. Look at this kitchen area. Washing machine and the fridge. Look at that. It's bare right now. She's bare right now, but it's gonna be a whole lot better once I get it filled up. Dinner is about to be served. I got everything set up. We got our bathroom. Just a nice, humble bathroom. It's modern. It looks fresh, but now this is where things change. We got all this here. It's set up. Now, the reason I got a new place is size, location. I was in a really good spot at the beginning for basically all the food videos, to tour the city, to really get a good vibe, and to be super close to the beach. But now that I'm settled in, I need to start cooking. A little bit more realistic. Price-wise, it is slightly more than my previous place. And if you noticed, Handy Joe got a little cut. He got himself a little fresh cut. So I can take a minute to stop and smell the flowers, have a wonderful feast, just adjust here, and start, being a bit of an adult. Welcome to reality. We're just getting that meal cooking away. Delicioso. Chef's kiss. I don't know how long I'm gonna be here for, but I think it's gonna be a little bit longer. So now you guys can actually see what my life's gonna be like as I start cooking. We can get those snack videos done, and that audio that hasn't been quite good, we can fix that now. Inside is much quieter, besides the birds chirping outside. Let me know what you guys think of the new place, and if you have any ideas for what you want to see in the next videos, let me know. And if you want to see more guests, we can promise you we got more guests coming, because your boy has a garden right here. Maybe I'll plant some herbs and spices and go fully Martha Stewart up in this thing. Hats off to you, hats off to me, and hey, let's continue to have some fun at the 301. If you wanted an exact price breakdown, previous apartment, I think it cost me $549 through Airbnb, because I wanted to kind of figure out what area I wanted to be in. This place coming in at a whopping $748. But hey, compared to back home, Vancouver, this price is phenomenal. I think I'm gonna really like it here. I think I'm gonna be able to get some good work done, lots of good videos for you guys, and get those edits just a little bit better so that it can be much more enjoyable and easier for you to watch. Next step is to enjoy the meal, enjoy the rest, and get ready for another adventure. See ya. Okay, this is the lost apartment, I promise. Lost one, lots of construction, just started going up right beside the building. Insane amounts of noise, like unbearable. They were super reasonable though and understood that I couldn't handle that much noise. So we worked something out and I have moved again. But that's something you get used to. There's no guarantees in life. This is the new place. It is much bigger. This is my living room. Give you the full tour. Right down to the street. It's pretty big in here. But let's go check out the bedroom. Now this place is the most expensive one so far. Here we are in the new apartment room. I got my snacks all up here. And most importantly, this is a king size, maybe even a little bit bigger than that, King size bed, super, super comfortable. This is the most comfortable one I've had so far. You know, the TV, we got the Ted Lasso going. Dining desk. Working desk. We got a nice modern bathroom. Check it out. Now, this apartment is not so close to the beach, but it's really close to the Dragon Bridge, so just a second away from the city. And this one comes in at, I think, about $800 a month. Now, I got lots more space. Cleaner comes once a week, which is perfect. I have the laundry machines as well. There's a little laundry room down there. You know, it is a change, but I'm ready to try out a new area. So we'll see if this is where I end up sticking around and staying. Check out the snack hole. That'll be in the next video, don't worry. You know, we mainly moved out for the kitchen. Look at the common area down there. So we got my fridge. Now this is an outdoor kitchen. Quite a bit different. We got the stove. We got all my pots and pans, cutting board area. It's pretty nice in here, but it's also very large. Come out here in the mornings, get some fresh sun, do a little bit of yoga, and then get on started with my day. So first apartment, $540. Second apartment was around like 7 something, can't remember. I would have stayed there a little bit longer, but the noise, it doesn't seem like they're gonna be stopping construction anytime soon. You know, what can you do? You gotta find a new place. But this bed, oh, phenomenal. I've been having the best sleeps. It's like firm, has a little bit of memory foam on it, so it's a chef's kiss. Bang. So if you're actually looking for, you know, somewhere closer to the city, does get a little bit more expensive. You would think the beach would be the most expensive place, but it's the city, because I think people are there for work and they need to live there. Overall, I'm very happy with this place. The landlord of the lost place was very reasonable about the situation, so they didn't put up a big fuss. I got a lot of my money back, and then I just moved out. Like, I think I was only there for like a week or two. Let me know if you want to see anything else about the apartment or anything about pricing and how much it costs to live here. Oh, and I got my closet there too. Perfect. One thing that's nice is you get lots of closet and lots of storage space. So that's good. And we got parking outside the front as well. Well, now that you've seen all the different apartments, you kind of get the idea of the 3 different price points, 5 to 7 to 8, and what it gets you. Mainly just gets you nicer appliances, newer beds, closer proximity to the city or to the beach. I'm pretty tired now. I just woke up. I'll have to go to the gym and get my day started. See you later. Thanks for watching.